LELEI everyone, and happy Tongan Language Week. Tongan school leaders from around Auckland have gathered to make this video for you all.
As we conclude this year's Tongan Language Week, we have decided to make this video as we continue to enrich Aotearoa with our Tongan culture.
This week is really important, especially for us as Tonga. This gives us a chance to really showcase the true beauty of our Tongan culture. There's a theme for the week which changes every year.
The theme this year is
Whakakoloa a Aotearoa,
FAKALELEI.
enriching Aotearoa, New Zealand.
With holistic education.
although we may be in lockdown,
This definitely did not mean we weren't going to celebrate.
instead we have brought the celebrations online.
Tongan leaders from across 30 plus schools in Auckland
have all collaborated to make this video for you all.
Showcasing the importance and significance of the Tonga culture to us as Tonga.
As Tonga,
We all try to live by these 4 pillars.
FAKALATA.
Lototo.
Ngaahi maha.
Therefore, we felt that it was important to share with you our understandings of these values.
The first value that we're going to be talking about is RESPECT, respect, also known as whakaapa.
We show our respect by adjusting our behavior.
For the environment around us.
Showing whakaapa is knowing the roles that we play
In our families, schools, and outer community.
FAKALATA is a way of keeping peace.
in all environments we step into.
The second value is ofa, love.
We show offer by loving others, loving ourselves, and loving our faith.
Loving what we do is also important.
Whether it's through education, going to work, or going to church.
Offer is important in all aspects of our lives.
Our third value is lototo. This means humility.
Being humble in anything and everything we do, regardless the situation.
That is who we are as Tonga.
People of humble beginnings.
Ta ai FAKALELEI. Lead the way by always being humble. Lototo.
O mahuinga a pito ai tau hiwa. Ke tau ki tolonga mo ku uloa. Lotonga e taimi koe ni o tau malo loi api i koe ki koe mahaki COVID-19.
We have the opportunity to nurture our relationships within our families and in Aotearoa.
Ko e tau tauhi e tau ngāhi wā, i he e tau ngāhi api ako, e malawai ai ngāhi mi alahi. Hange koe.
promoting success for positive teacher and student relationships, as well as student and student relationships.
Maintaining such relationships can increase comfortable learning environments for all students, where they feel at ease to be themselves while learning.
E malawai ke toi wao whiange ai tau hiwa ai kau whai ako mai whanau ako. Kai unga a ai mātu a tau hi Fanau ke toi LELEI e ngā whengau ai aki i he loki ako. Pea pehe ki hono ako i oi Ngaahi le songi ki tua.
I he LELEI, mai mā whana o e tau hiwa ko ia. E lawa ai ke mā o e pōpō ka kato e community. Pehe ki hono pātau aki o e tau Ngaahi unga ngā whātonga. Hange ko e tau hiwa, mai FAKATONGA o LELEI.
Let's continue to enrich Aotearoa. Aki e ako lele. Whether it be
ako, at school.
I api home, I whalelotu church.
I he community or out in the community.
Let's keep our traditions alive by continuing to live by them and also teaching them to others around us. We understand that you may be overwhelmed during this time of uncertainty. So here's some advice from your Tongan leaders.
Le whakatata wahe tolu vesua nima moi wam. O na ke mana wahe kia mea whakalifia o whakawhakawha mai. Pe ki he whakaawa anga hala o ka hoko mai ia. He koho whalala anga si hova, pe e whakahawh e ia hova ai, ke awa na e whihia.
Continue to stay in contact with your friends, supporting each other as we conquer this lockdown together.
Ko whalawhala te o lama a tau ke ahongi. O to oia me tohe o pita mai ni mawe fitu. E o peona whakalea. Tuku atu ko toa ha mo ngai loto mo ua ke o tua. He o kune FAKALELEI I mo tolu.
Maintaining a good sleeping schedule so that you're not tomoe to your online learning.
Keep on keeping one. Tuiki a te koe. Believe in yourself.
Just remember, you can always take a breath and take some time to spend with the people you love.
O whake mauma o I LELEI I he taimi whaingata a taloloto ngā whanonga mai ai. Ko ki I whakamanatu e ni me he tohi ko loma wahe walu, vesta walu. Ko ngāhi mamahi o taini mi, o ki kai ka kunga ke tatau, mo I langi o kuene ke whakaia mai.
Be proactive. Don't be on the game all day. Go outside for a lue or lele.
Thessalonians chapter 5 verse 11. Therefore, if we encourage one another and build each other up, just as in fact you are doing. Thessalonica vahenima verse taha. Koia ke mo whea whakawhia malia aki mo tolu, o whelanga aki mo tolu, o hange whoki koia mo whai.
Oa lau e kafo, kai lau e lava. Stay positive and count your blessings.
Stay in your bubble so you, your community, can stay out of trouble.
Tough times never last. Only tough people last.
LELEI koe whalawhala tō lau ka o hea sāmea wa tolu ves uluaki. Ai ko hei hono lau, ko tāwe asi hova hei kai te masimo.
O ko tau kātoanga I whoki ai mahu inga au wike lea whakatonga he tauni. Pea mohono ka veinga fisi mo a whoki, koe whakakoloa a Aotearoa aki ai ako LELEI. Tau ngā au e tō iwi mo sika velenga he ako, ke toko ni iho tau kakai I he mo ui whakasino, whakaatamai, whakaeongo, o whakalau mālie whoki.
Thanks to our Tongan student leaders, we can now understand that holistic learning is not just about learning within our educational institutions. In fact, it engages all aspects of the learner, including the mind, body and soul. Once again, happy Tongan Language Week, and with that we say,
Happy Tongan Language Week!